Nightwatch can filter keyword data into the following segments: device platforms, language, countries, and locations. These segments are settings that you've already chosen when you initially added your keywords into Nightwatch. Here's how to track keywords by their segment. At the left sidebar of your website's dashboard, click Keywords. Scroll down to the filter area. Here's where you can create a custom filter by selecting a specific field and the relevant condition. Click the gray Save button to name your custom filter. Then, click the blue Save button so that your filter can appear on the left sidebar. After saving, the dashboard data seen inside a segment apply only to the words within that segment. It's helpful to observe them independently, as different keywords have different characteristics. Congrats! Now you'll have an easier time spotting the major factors affecting changes in your rankings by segmenting your keywords.